Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. Today I'm going to teach you how to design a lot of things using Canva. If you don't have Canva, download it from the Play Store and register using your email address. So let's get started. When you open your Canva, it's going to show like this. I'm just going to head on to click on this social media that you can see here. When you click on this social media, you know what social media is. We have a lot of platforms, so it's going to just bring up a lot of templates from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all that you consider as social media. So they are going to be showing you all these templates. If you want, you can choose anyone to get started. So there is also this other part you can see up here. It's the popular one. Why the ones down here? These ones that is showing now is the ones that you can customize. Nothing has been designed on them. They are blank. Then you will just choose the particular size that you want, because they've made it in such a way that it is fitted for each particular. Like this YouTube banner is fitted to be a YouTube banner. LinkedIn background, the size is fitted for LinkedIn background, and so on and so forth. Why these other ones are the ones that it has already been designed as a template. So you just choose the one you like and customize. You can see the ones that have this crown like stuff. They are the ones for pro accounts. That means you have to subscribe for pro account. But it doesn't mean that if you don't have pro account, you cannot use anyone. So I'll just click on the one that has just social media. So, and try to make a design out of it. But before I design something out of it, I just want you to pay very close attention to what I'm going to show you. You see this place that is designed, just once you just click any this thing, it will just be highlighted. If you don't want to use any of this design, you just click on the back button. But then I'm just going to go through some of these places. You can see birthday, real estate, motivational quotes, happy, as in new week quotes, a lot of things. If you don't want to touch any of these things for them to give you a design, like this Instagram carousel, if I touch it, it's going to bring Instagram carousel for me. This carousel now, where you have a design that has up to like five or more than one design in one. So like I said earlier, the ones with crown is paid. So I touched one, it has 6 pages. If I want to apply the 6 pages, I apply. If not, I'll just click on this arrow to go out, or use the back button. So you can type something, or touch one of these quotes, inspirational quote, motivational quote, these ones that are already here. So assuming I look for quotes, they are going to bring out templates for quotes, both free templates and paid templates. I can filter it if I want using this filter button up here. I can say for free, like they will bring out only free templates. I can say for paid, they will bring out only paid templates for me. So there are a lot of design for quotes. You know what quotes is now? Words by a particular person, either you or you are quoting someone. So if you want to create quotes to post on your social media, you should come here. Just choose anyone that you like and customize it. So I'm going to choose another one. Happy birthday. If you want to make a happy birthday design for yourself or for someone else, you can see they are really simple designs that you just need to maybe change the picture, that's change the image and replace it with the person, the real person you are celebrating. You can change the text. You can write your own birthday wishes and all for that person. We have free ones, we have paid ones too. It's all up to you depending on the account you're using. So I can search for another thing like did you know, like a question kind of thing. So if you have a social media page and you want to create did you know posts, you can choose from this particular did you know template, and they will give you ideas. One thing I love about Canva is that even if you are not a, what should I call it, a good designer, you can get something out of Canva because they already design templates waiting for you to use and customize for your own taste and color. Then if you're in real estate and you don't have any idea of how to design, you don't need to stress yourself so much. You just come to Canva, go to open the social media template. You see, there are a lot of real estate designs, even ideas. Even if you're already good in design, these templates can also give you ideas, because people that made it are, you know certified creators that design these templates to make your work easy for you. They are really certified, because you can see how the colors are blended. Everything blends so well. The typography, the fonts that we are choosing for each design, they are just top notch. So Canva is very good. I'm going to also find something else. I've done quotes, I've done real estate. Let's go to church. Maybe you are designing for your church. You want to invite people to join your service, or come to church, come for your midweek fellowship, come for a particular program that you are hosting in your church, and you don't really have so much of expertise in design. Man, you can just come here. Look at this one is Sunday service. Get pictures of your members, replace them. Just replace your own information. Just change their information to your own. And you are good to go, man. You are very, very good to go. You can look at this one for youth hangout, Sunday service. You know, it's just so amazing. It's just so amazing. You do not have any excuse for not knowing how to, get cool designs. You don't have any excuse at all. You can, even if you don't know the name of the font, I also use this medium to get colors. You can get color code. You can get the name of the font that is being used in that particular design. So let's see, back to school. Maybe you sell back to school items. Very, very easy. You can see, if you are doing back to school promo, you're selling back to school item, you're selling anything, it's very easy for you to redesign all this. Just touch anyone you want and it will give you the design interface. You replace the text, you replace the whatever you want. So we're also going to go back to another thing to still check. Look at new week, look at hiring. Maybe you are hiring, or you want to travel, or you want to do a webinar. Or look at this one is for new week, to wish your followers a happy new week, a motivational Monday, or pray for them, or just to send your followers good wishes. You don't need to stress yourself so much. Come to Canva, customize your template, any template you choose. Even if you have a free account, man, you can, get all the ideas. So look at this one. Hello Monday. You can change the picture. You can change everything, like from A to Z. You can change. So if this video is making sense to you, why don't you hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, what's your Canva tips, what's your Canva, what ideas or advice or whatever you learning from this video. Okay, I also have on my channel a video that will teach you how to get colors from even pro designs. I also have a video that will teach you how to get fonts from pro design, even if you don't know the name of the fonts. That's how you can grow. Like if you're a new designer in Canva, you can really get so good in no time if you watch and try to duplicate design. So I'm going to link those videos in the description of this particular video that I am making now. So we've done a lot. I'm going to go to testimonial. This particular one, I'll open one and rewrite so that you see what I'm trying to tell you about customizing a template. So this first one that is purple here, I'm going to just touch it. Once I touch it, it will bring me to the design interface. If you touch the background, you can see color. So I'll replace the color. You can click on this arrow up to change. If the color you are looking for, you don't see it, you can click this up arrow, this one, change the color. So the name of this person, I'm going to change it. Just touch the text, you type your name. Then the picture too that is here, If you touch it, click on replace. You can use from your gallery, from your upload on Canva, or choose a picture from Canva. So I'm just going to choose one picture from my gallery. Try to do one or two on the picture by editing, cropping it and all. And because it's a selfie, it's just for tutorial use. But if you want to get a picture, you use a good picture. This one is just here because it's for tutorial. I'm not using this for anything, just to make you know what I'm trying to talk about. So I'll just rotate it a bit because you know it's not well positioned. So after trying to position it, you can delete anything you want to delete here. You can change the text. I'm very happy to be able to take this online course. The topics I'm just going to write, this is my review, simple, of these products or whatever. Because it's not going out, you delete their website and put your own if you have. So it's very easy to design anything on Canva, honestly. So if you're still watching this video, give it a thumbs up. So if you want to download, click on this download button. If you want to add another page, like another design, you can go to this design. I'm going to add a new year, post, like a happy new year post. So this is just like going to give you an idea of how to create a 2026 happy new year, post. So let's just see. This is for new month. Hello January, hello August, hello June. And so this one that has Happy New Year, it's a free template. I'm just going to choose it because it's caught my attention. So I will add it as a new page. I'm not going to replace the current page, so that if I add it, you are going to see that I now have two pages. You can see the first page, then this is this one for the New Year design. So this is 2023, but I'm going to change it to 2026 because we are already in 2025. So I'll just bring it down and bring this line down and just do a little touch on it to show you one or two things. So I'll just increase the font size of this 2026 by elongating one of the sides of this box. Then I will bring this, go to nudge, so that I'll use this to pull the line down, so it will come down, because I'm going to be adding a space for you to add your logo. I'm just assuming you have a company logo, so let's just create that space for you to be able to add your logo, so that people, when they see, they will know, okay, this happy new year wish is coming from this particular company. I'm using nudge. I could have just used my hand to bring it down, but sometimes when you do freestyling, you can make mistake. But when you use all these tools that are in Canva, it's very easy for you to maintain alignment of this line that is here. So having done this, I'm going to increase this a bit, just play around the words and the text that is here. Then duplicate this by clicking this duplicate button. After duplicating it, I'll just type something, like duplicate one of the text here, so that I'll type logo, so you can put your logo here. If you have a logo, a company logo, an office logo, this should be the position of your logo. That is it. You've wished whoever you're wishing a happy new year. So just click on your download icon and download this design, and it will be downloaded straight into your phone gallery. So when you open your gallery or your photos, whichever app you use to access your pictures, you'll be able to see that these two pictures, the first one that is a testimonial, the second one that is a happy new year wish, it's there on your, can see. I did this video September, you can see. So it's a very good thing. Just subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.